Okay, so I just installed the Main Street Cycle updated spring they sent me with the original little spacer washer and the original weights. I removed the full RNG kit just for the sake of testing, so I'm back to stock secondary spring, clocked to B1 with the stock helix, and just came back the road a couple kilometers, so you know it's all warmed up. My machine has 500 kilometers, well 499 kilometers on it. So we're going to do a little test along here. This isn't the best spot for me to do like full acceleration, so I just want to get some cruising along. First brake. It's very smooth. I can tell the RPMs are lower than even my modified 16-gram rollers with the RNG kit, so I know that's not going to give me the performance, but let's just see how it rolls. Mainly want to test the 30 mile per hour or 50 kilometer per hour rolling speed, so here we go. Trying to get you to see the RPMs. So I'm down a couple hundred RPMs over my modified setup that I had in there. What I noticed, and it's probably due to the stock secondary, is the back shifting is not as good, and I had the big tire helix from RNG, so that's probably even more so. But when I step on it, it doesn't ramp up quick in RPM and then settle. It just picks one and stays. So we're going to do I'll just be in high range, and I'm in down work mode, and I'm going to try to just floor it. Well, actually here, I'll just do a little takeoff here. So about 23, 24. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, smoothness is there, definitely smooth, like silky smooth. And I say it's a stock belt with about 500 kilometers on it, so it looked perfect when I had it out. So here we go. We're gonna floor it, watch the RPMs, watch the speed. I'll try to not get a shadow. The RPMs aren't getting up there. Kind of feels like the original setup I had. So I had an MSC setup before, and I just didn't know. The springs look pretty much the same. I do have a picture, and I can include that. And I'm no professional, so there's no way I'm going to be able to just like put that up here in the corner. You know, I can't do that. I'm not a YouTube expert. So I'm going to do a low. Here's low range. Just take off. Pretty jumpy, so it'll grab if I want it to, or it'll be smooth. Yep. Alright, so we're going to stop. Actually, I'm going to go past the puddles. Let's go past here. Potholes are huge. Alright, this section's pretty good. So let's try it and see. Definitely I'm not back shifting like I did with the secondary kit. That's not an MSC fault because I don't have an MSC secondary kit. But this primary kit, I don't know, maybe I should have left my stock weights. I'll have to contact them, but I used the weights that came with the kit. This is the modified spring that was sent to me. I'll have to compare it to the video, but I think the RPMs are about the same as I originally had. Kind of low, nicer for cruising, I suppose, but really doesn't add the power that I wanted. So might experiment with just a little bit lighter weight. Put my stock, I think these weigh 22 gram, and I might